crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on this evening with a Halloween project share. Earlier this week I posted on my Instagram some Halloween rosettes that I made, and so I wanted to come on this evening to share them with you, just in case some of y'all didn't see it. So these are the rosettes that I made, and I think they turned out really cute. I'm limited on my supplies right now because if y'all had watched my welcome back video, you all know that I just moved and my crafts are just all disorganized. I had my husband pack up my crafts in Washington because he said, you know, he was going to keep it organized and keep everything together, but he didn't, and everything is just, I don't know, I can't find a lot of things. I can't find like my spellbinders, card kits of the month. I can't find my Anna Griffin boxes. I can't find my glue gun. I mean, I have a glue gun here, but I have a bigger glue gun that takes the bigger glue gun sticks, and I had a brand new glue gun that I bought from Tuesday morning, and I don't even know where that is. So it's quite frustrating. So I'm kind of just limited on what I could find, and so in my Halloween stash, these are all what I have. And so let me just kind of go over the rosettes with you. So what I did was I made a rosette. I made 4 rosettes using some Halloween paper. It was a collection from last year, Michael's. I don't even have the cover of it. It was just, I had like 2 or 3 sheets of it, and so I decided to make the rosettes with the remaining paper that I had. And so with the rosettes, what I did was I used the My Creative Time rosette die. And I used the medium die here. So they come in small, medium, and large. So I cut the medium one out twice and glued them together. And then that's how big the rosette came out to be. Then the second layer, I used a scallop punch. Again, with that same paper collection. And I glued that onto the rosette. Then I just used a circle punch. It was a 1.5 inch circle punch. And then I propped that up with some, let's see, you know that, what do you call it? Like the foam squares to pop them up. And so between the scallop and the circle, I put the fun fur, the black fun trim around. And then I went ahead and popped up my bat. And I put stickers on each one. These stickers came from a subscriber. It was, I think I got it, it was one of my challenges, and I can't remember who gave this to me because in the bin everything was just, like I said, dumped. I have a bin. Everything y'all have made me or sent me is in one bin, and I try to keep it in order so I know who gave it to me, so when I use it I can give you credit for it. But I really don't know who gave me these stickers. And so these stickers are pretty, they're dimensional, and so I thought they would look really nice. And then I found only 2 of these spiders here. I think I used that deco foiling pen, I think, or a leaf pen or something like that from Michael's, but I can't even find my pens. I know I have it in gold and silver, but who knows where they are. I probably have to buy them again, or I am going to buy them again. So I only found 2 of them, so that's why there's only 2 on the rosettes. And yeah, that's about all I did with these. I think they turned out really cute. It'll be nice. I'm going to package them up for some happy mail to give to someone. And then late last night, I made more rosettes. I actually cut into the Pinkaboo paper pad from Michael's. And so this is what I actually came up with. Let's see, not that one. It's these 2 here. And so this is my late night crafting. So I thought these turned out really cute. What I did was I used a silver doily from my stash. It's a Martha Stewart. It's from Martha Stewart. And then I made my own rosette. I just cut out a 12-inch by 1.5 inch strip. Well, you need 2 strips to make one rosette. So I just cut out a bunch of strips, glued them together, made the rosette, glued it onto the doily. And then after that, I went ahead and cut out this spider web. That's actually a spider web. And that spider web is from, it looks like this, the die. And it came in this pack here. It's by Recollections. I got this last year. And so, I don't know if it came with a, like a spider, but it probably fell out. But this is the web that I use. And you can't tell in my rosettes, but they have like a iridescence to them, like glittery, kind of holographic. And I'll show you one of these. Because what I did was, I didn't have any black like glitter paper. So what I did was I just cut this out of 110-pound cardstock. And then I went ahead and used this Martha Stewart holographic glitter. And I just brushed it on. I cut out the web and I brushed it on and I let it dry. And then I glued it on. You see how pretty that is? I hope you can see it. So I think that's really nice. So that's the second layer. And then what I did was I made my own pumpkin. And I got this idea from one of my subscribers. Again, it came from the bin that, you know, people had, it's like, I think from my challenger, and people just sent me. And so this is how it was packaged. And I am so sorry, I can't remember who gave this to me. And like I said, there's no name. But she did go ahead and she made these. And I thought they were so cute. And she used scalloped ovals. I think I have a scalloped oval punch too, but I can't find it. So she made these cute little embellishments. And I thought they were just adorable. And so when I saw that, I was thinking, oh, I'll go ahead and make these. I'm going to try and make it myself. And so I went ahead and made my own pumpkin. I just used my regular oval punch. But what I did was I embossed it. So if you can tell, these two are kind of different. This one I embossed with polka dots. And then this one is like a script. And then it's actually plain white cardstock. And I used my Tim Holtz distressed ink. And I distressed it. And then it still looked kind of plain to me. So then what I did was I went ahead and brushed on the silver glitterific paint. So I went ahead and so I could make that shiny. And then all these here elements are actually from my Mama Elephant pumpkin die set. So I used the top, this top here, and the leaves, and all the scrolls, like the little loops there. I used from this set here. And then I made my own flowers. I couldn't find my flowers. I have pastel flowers, but who knows where they are. So I used this flower set, which I got from Alina Crafts. And this is like one of the gifts that she has sent me with one of my orders. It was like a while ago. It's, you know, I don't know if she has this in her store, but I got this from Alina Crafts. And I just made my flowers here. I put some iridescent bling in the center of them. And then I just popped it on. And so for the, let's see here. Sorry, I'm just all over the place. I've done this video like 5 times and like something keeps like happening. And so I have to start over. These are the 2 embossing folders I used. For the polka dots, I just used the bottom of this, Happy Birthday. And this is the script that I used for that pumpkin. And I plan to make more, so I just pulled out like some embossing folders that I might use. Like this one is a spider web. And this one is like, it's kind of like a floral print. And then I got one that has leaves, but I don't know, this might be too big. So I'm not sure about that. And then my punch, the size of the punch, it's a 2-inch by 1 3/8 inch punch. And I don't know where this is from, Stampin' Up. Excuse me, I probably got that off of D-Stash. And so yeah, so these are how they turned out. And I think they turned out cute. I still think they're missing something. Like part of me wants to put like maybe like a bug on it or something, but I'm not sure. Or maybe like a sentiment, but I don't know. Like I made these, like I said, late last night, so I wanted to make this in a set of 4. I haven't done these 2 yet. I'm working on that. And I started on this one, and I started with putting a sentiment there and putting some spiders on there, and then I put some tulle. This one is a different web though, and I didn't glitter it up, so I'm not sure if I like that. I think I like these better, but I'm still gonna make something with this one. Let's see. For the flowers, I just use this Simon Says Stamp Thistle, and I just did the edges here just to give it some dimension. And then these were just cut from the Peekaboo paper pad. I just used, and I cut out a small piece, and I think these are like the pumpkins, and so that's why they're kind of different in colors. So yeah, so this is what I've been up to. I'm going to finish these, and I'm going to package these up along with the traditional rosettes that I made, the traditional Halloween colors, I should say. And yeah, I have more ideas. I just have to, you know, find the time to craft. Today I didn't do any crafting. We're out all day. We're going to go ahead and watch Harry Potter tonight because my daughter wants to watch Harry Potter. And tomorrow we're going to be busy again, so maybe I'll do some late night crafting tonight. But anyway, I hope you all have a great evening and are enjoying your weekend, and I will see you all soon. Bye.